Hello everyone. So this is going to be a midweek analysis and we are going to analyze whatever calculations, whatever target analysis that we have done over the weekend in a weekend market lagta hai video. We are going to analyze where we have reached from the point of view of a target and how both these indices are behaving at this point in time and how do we expect the remaining week to go. So we have another 3 days in this particular week. So let us understand where do we stand from Nifty and Bank Nifty's analysis point of view. So before we begin, let us take a look at the morning message, today morning's message. So today morning's message which I have shared is this Tuesday 11th of July. Yeah. So the range that we have discussed is 19,100 and up to 19,500. Bank Nifty range is 44,700 to 45,300. Now Nifty needs to close below 19,300 and Bank Nifty needs to close below 44,800. We got close below 44,800 today, but still I'm expecting a bounce for tomorrow. Why I'm saying this? Let us go to video and understand these aspects. So this particular was the view for the day. Now if you observe both the indices on a daily time frame, when we are observing Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are seeing that Bank Nifty is showing a considerable type of profit booking here, but at the same time if we take a look at the Nifty chart, so Nifty is still in a way consolidating in the phase, right? So it is still consolidating. It is not really making a new lower low kind of a scenario. So Dow theory still intact on a lower time frame. Whereas for Bank Nifty, the Dow theory is broken. One of the important tenet of Dow theory suggests that if both the indices, they are not confirming with each other, the trend then is not decisive and one has to pause. Do not create very aggressive positions, keep smaller position sizing so that you will be able to manage this trade really well. Now, how do we expect the analysis for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, the rest remaining 3 days for this particular week? Let's go to Nifty chart to understand. See, we have given this level of 19,301. This is one of the level which is where we are expecting market to breach this level, and only then we can have a positional bias for Nifty. Whereas what has happened, Nifty has taken a bounce from our Friday's low and then we sustained at a particular level, and today again we got a gap up and we are in a way sustaining into this particular zone. Now I'm expecting continuation of this bullish move even for probably tomorrow's day, and it may so possible that from this level of 19,448 we may go back again, retest the high of this particular range, or maybe go and complete this target of 19,565. It is possible on a day like tomorrow because Nifty is bouncing, so it is very well possible that it might go and complete these targets. At the same time, unless and until we do not close below 19,300, do not look for a positional short view. See, there is a demerger of HDFC and HDFC Bank which is slated to come into effect on 13th of July, and I feel that unless and until that demerge do not take place, we will still have to just bear with this sideways or a bullish action whatever we are seeing in Nifty at least. So we have to deal with that situation. So let us take this entire action with little pinch of salt, and I think by tomorrow's day, by Thursday, we should get a clarity about the downwardly trend or a profit booking phase that we were expecting. So that Bank Nifty is already exhibiting signs, but Nifty should also give us some clarity till Thursday is what my expectation is. So tomorrow's day one has to trade with a caution, and if at all in a time when Nifty and Bank Nifty, they are not both going in a similar direction, they are not in sync, that is the time one should be very careful about the position sizing of the trade, right? So this bounce or today's gap up was totally unexpected, but this is how the market behaves. So the best thing that is there in our hands, see, we are in a business of managing our risk. So if you feel that whatever risk you are taking, that risk is undue or it is not fitting, it is not as per your money management criteria, then you just reduce your position sizing, right? So this is very simple basic thing that we need to follow. Once we are below 19,300, then we can quickly slip to 19,235 or maybe lower than this. But so far we are into this particular range, so this range needs to be broken. So I expect 19,350 is the level which should be broken first, and then which we should look for 19,300 as a target. So for now it's a mixed kind of a scenario for Nifty, and it looks more bullish than bearish. So let us watch, observe how tomorrow's day goes, the Wednesday's day goes, and then accordingly we'll be ready for the weekly expiry. As for Bank Nifty, it is obliging very well as per the expectation. It has reached to the first target already. Now because it has completed this first target, eventually it should break below this level and reach to the second target as well. But because we have reached to an important support level, from here there is a very well possibility that again we should get some bounce. So for tomorrow's day we should get some kind of a bounce, form a lower high, and from that lower high level then the next leg of fall is possible. So don't go euphorically bearish on indices, and then take it just one step at a time. At this point in time, Bank Nifty is giving us a confirmation of close below 44,800, which is what we required to create a positional trade in Bank Nifty. But Nifty is very strong. So what I personally feel is that when both the indices are not going in sync, then we should avoid positional trades in these indices and trade only on the basis of intraday moves that you can identify, and accordingly plan your trades. Excellent trade that we got today in case of Bank Nifty and also in Nifty Financial. So Nifty Financial, we could see a trade of 20,100 put option for today's expiry. I could see that option around 47 rupees, somewhere around here. It was trading at 47 rupees, and by the end of the day it did about 147 odd number. So I never traded this. I was not ready to trade because I was traveling for the most of the time, but I could observe that this is going to be a trade. I could see that, but we was occupied with something else, so I chose not to trade today. So this was a fantastic opportunity. Similar kind of opportunity we might get on Thursday. So be prepared, and that is where one can hit, one can identify the trade and get a fantastic result. See guys, this is the opportunity wherein one can trade. So today, let's say 47 rupee option, the total cost of that option was somewhere around 47 multiplied by 40 is the lot size. So let's say someone traded 4,000 quantity, so it becomes 47 into 400, so that's about 18,800, right? So it's about 18,800 is your investment, and that option comfortably gave, let's say, 100 points over there. So even if someone made 40 points, someone made 50 points, or someone made, let's say 50 points you made, that's a 100% profit. As simple as that. So on a 18,800 investment, your risk was negligible here, and the profit that you could generate was much bigger, much greater. So identify these kind of trades and trade only when you know you have a limited risk, and that is how you can trade in current market and avoid taking undue overnight risk, which is not at all required, and comfortably trade whatever you are seeing during the day. So that can be a fantastic opportunity for you, right? So see you on a weekend. Thanks for watching guys. If you have liked the video, do let me know in comment box, and do hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great time ahead. I'm signing off.